watch the replay. So let me clean up the lens. What's up, everyone? Today is Monday. Today's YouTube live day. So a big question I've been getting a lot, whether it be in DMs, whether it be on Instagram, whether it be on Twitter, is how has my process changed in 2021? So I'm going to be talking about my exact process from beginning to end. And then I'm going to kind of talk about my trade recaps of the day. So before I start, guys, tomorrow, August 17th, is our third birthday. It is MIC's third birthday. And we are hosting our third annual live trading bootcamp. So this is your opportunity, guys, to watch me and Bao trade live together, right? There's no other opportunity that you guys could have to watch two seven-figure traders trade. So the way that we've structured everything is from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm going to be building a watch list. From 9 a.m. to 11, we're going to be executing live, right? And then from 11 to the close, we're going to be doing moderated presentations, live Q&As, and giveaways, right? So if you sign up for a general admission ticket on myinvestingclub.com/bootcamp, you are in the raffle to win a monthly membership. If you are a monthly member, right? If you're a monthly member and you sign up for the bootcamp, you get to be in the raffle to win a 32-inch monitor, the same monitor that I use for my trading. If you are an annual member, not only do you come to the event for free, not only do you have the accelerator course, but you are in the raffle to win a lifetime membership, guys. Not too many people have signed up for the annual, so you have a great chance of winning. And if you sign up for the lifetime membership, which is by application only, we only accept a certain amount of people. But if you get accepted and you sign up for the lifetime, you are in the raffle to win a one-on-one call with me. I'm telling you, not a lot of people have signed up for lifetime too. So what we decided to do is, because it's the last day, because the boot camp is tomorrow, we are going to do an extra discount. I'm going to let Tosh do a case-by-case discount. So DM Tosh in Slack, tell him last minute or last day. If you are a non-member, text him at 213-458-5997, last day, and you'll get access to that special discount, okay? Additionally, guys, lifetime members and annual members get to attend for free. So this event is totally free for annual and lifetime members, and I know a lot of people that are going to be making back their membership in one day. So I'll see you guys at the boot camp tomorrow. One last thing is, if you registered for the boot camp and you did not get an email, DM El Deuterino in chat. Don't worry, on the day of the boot camp tomorrow, we're going to be sending links out if you guys don't have any issues. So don't worry. If you didn't get an email, don't panic. You're still in the boot camp. We'll make sure you get in the day of, right? So that's that. Tomorrow, guys, it's going to be a great event. I mean, this is your once a year opportunity, man. So again, after tomorrow, we have played around with the idea of raising the price of annual and raising the price of lifetime. So after tomorrow, when the boot camp is done, we are going to potentially raise prices. So this is your opportunity to lock in your price before it gets raised, guys. So DM Tosh, message Tosh, and you'll get access. So let's talk about trading today. It's 11:08 a.m. It is zombie times right now, right? So zombie times. I purposely do these YouTube lives around zombie times. So the top question that I have been getting is, how has my process changed and what is my process in 2021? And when we first created MIC, right, we said that the process is key. Everyone laughed at us. Everyone made jokes about us. Everyone said we're fucking stupid. Now every single trading community on the internet preaches process. But they don't really know what a process is. It is a fancy word they use because they've been hearing us use it. So I'm going to break down what my process is and how to tell what a good trading process is. A process is nothing more than a repeatable routine that you could follow every single day in the market and spit out money, okay? So guys, the key thing here is, what are you doing every single day to make sure that you're pulling money out of the market. We talk about our MIC process. We talk about our everything, right? So let me explain to you beginning to end what my process is so that you could take bits and pieces of my process and try to mold it onto your own, okay? So first things first is wake up early. I wake up around 6 a.m. market time. I used to wake up at 4 a.m., but I've realized that if I get just a little bit more sleep, I perform better. So these days I'm waking up at 6 a.m. market time. At 6 a.m. market time, the first thing I am doing, guys, is checking what stocks gapped up. So make a list, guys. Make a list of what my process is. Wake up at 6 a.m., look at what stocks gapped up. Ideally, I am looking for stocks that are gapping up more than 30% on the day. So I wake up, I look at what stocks are gapping up percentage-wise, the highest percentage gainers of the day. After I get maybe the top percentage gainers of the day, I look at the news, right? I look at the news. What is moving the stock? What is the catalyst? Is there no news? Is there repeat news? Is there a good catalyst? Is this a phase 1? Is this a phase 2? Is this a phase 3? What is the news, right? I need to know the catalyst. After I know the catalyst, I go to finviz.com and I look at the float. I look at the market cap. Anything over $1 billion in market cap is not my niche. That's too big money. I don't touch that stuff. The sweet spot is anything under a 500 million market cap, maybe even 100 million market cap, right? So then I eliminate, right? So I go to those stocks that are gapping up on the day. Are they over the market cap? Eliminate, okay? Are they over a certain price? I usually don't like to trade stocks over $20. So if anything's over $20, I'll eliminate that one too, right? After I have my list of stocks, after I have my criteria, after I've narrowed it down, after I've looked at the news, and after I've looked at the float, I look at the filings. Is there any dilution on the stock? Is there no cash on the stock? Is all the money going to research and development? What's going on here, right? So wake up. What stocks are gapping up on the day? What is the news? What is the float? What is the market cap? What is the filings, right? So that's that. After I look at the filings, after I find the information, I go to the chart, guys. I look at the daily chart. What is the daily chart showing? Is the daily chart showing a stock that's slowly going up? Or is the daily chart showing a stock that consistently goes down? And this is maybe a dead cat bounce. So usually what I'm looking for is I'm looking for broken stocks. I'm looking for stocks that have tanked. I'm looking for stocks that are broken, right? Because I'm basically looking for a chart that goes down, 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 and then maybe there's a blip, and then it goes down, 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 down. I'm just following the pattern, right? So if a chart looks like that, if a chart looks like it has a broken pattern, it again goes one level further, right? So I'm getting a bunch of lists of stocks, and I'm trying to narrow it down and narrow it down and narrow it down all the way till I have like 3 or 5 really good setups, okay? So after I look at the chart, after I find the chart, if it fits my criteria, the next thing I do is draw my lines. I'm looking at support, I'm looking at resistance, I'm looking at VWAP. I'm looking at whole numbers, I'm looking at half dollars. What's a whole number? 3, 4, 5, 6. What's a half dollar? 350, 450, 550, 650. Okay? And usually those levels are key areas, right? So after I do all that stuff, after I look at the chart, then I make my plan. If a stock is tanking pre-market, I use the pre-market chart. If the stock is not really moving pre-market, I like to use the daily chart, right? So again, guys, this is my process of narrowing down the stocks. After I have narrowed down the stocks, I put it into a watch list. This is the same watch list that I execute on. This is the same watch list that MIC members execute on, okay? So after that, I set my fantasy orders and I basically just trade it. So beginning to end, from 6 a.m. to 9:30, I am looking at what stocks are moving. I'm looking at the catalyst. I'm looking at the flow. I'm looking at everything. So I'm basically researching everything. So if you are an MIC member, technically you could wake up at 9 a.m. and take my research and narrow it down for yourself. But at MIC, we want to teach you how to be a self-sufficient trader, which means if I am not around, if Bao is not around, guys, that we want you guys to be able to make these plans and trade these plans yourself, okay? So Basically, I make the watch list. I go through everything. And I narrow down the list for you guys so that you don't have to do that. And then you guys can basically look at that list and either replicate it or change it or whatever it is. I basically want to do the heavy lifting for you so that you guys don't have to. But this process is something that you could repeat, so that's why I want to explain to you, okay? So, based on my process today, I found the chart ENLV, okay? ENLV was a stock that was broken pre-market, okay? It was broken pre-market. And if we go to my watch list, let me pull up my watch list, guys. Sorry, just trying to get this shit set up. So if you look at my watch list today, looking for a morning pop towards 1270, 13, and 1350. So if you guys go back and look at the chart on ENLV, it hit $13 exactly. And that's the exact trade that I took, guys. That's the exact trade I took. I waited for the stock to go to my watch list level. I set my fantasy order at 1297, 1298. I got out at 1230. I made my 70 cents, 60 cents, and I walked away on the day. 2,000 shares, made fucking 1,200 bucks, right? Right? It's good money, man. It's good money. 5%, it's not bad with 2,000 shares, right? And why did I use so little size? Slow day. I don't need to fucking use size. So the point is, guys, the point is that every single day I am showing up and doing the same thing over and over again. So after I am done executing on the day, what do I do next, right? So I've learned that based on my statistics, guys, that I consistently lose money after 10:30 a.m. A screw goes loose in my brain. I start gambling. I start getting emotional. I start fucking winging it. I don't trade my plan. I trade against the algos and it just goes downhill. So what I found is if I eliminate all of my trading after 10:30 a.m., I make more money. So back test your setups, back test your strategies. If you are a long bias trader, maybe you should start your trading day at 10:30. But if you are a short bias trader like me, I gotta walk away at 9:30 because we get zombies like NAOV. If you look at NAOV, it's zombie today at 10:30. I avoided it because I walked away, guys. So the process not only includes research and execution, the process must also include walking away. It must include a criteria to walk away. I heard of people doing give back rules. So let's say you make $1,000 on the day. If you give back 20% of those profits, which is $200, you are forced to walk away. That is a give back rule, okay? I don't have a give back rule. My give back rule is 10:30 a.m. I cut it out and I walk away. It is not a surprise that I'm up over $2 million this year by following the same process, the same routine every day. You guys see me every day showing up to the room at 6 a.m. You guys see me showing up and trading the watch list stocks. After I trade the watch list stocks, I walk away at zombie times. Some days I make 1,000, some days I make 10,000, some days I make 3,000. The point is, it doesn't matter. As long as I can show up and I have a process, a routine, a strategy that I can replicate every day, and 90% of the time it's gonna pay me money, that is a profitable process. So ignore all these fucking phonies on the internet that say, process is this, process is that. Okay, what's your fucking process, bro? Don't use the fancy word. What is your process? What is your routine? It is not a surprise they used to fucking laugh at us, man. They used to laugh at us. Process my ass. Now they fucking jerk off the process because it's a fancy word that they use. So what is your process, guys? If you guys cannot tell me what your process is, you have no process. Bao woke up late today. Bao literally woke up at 9:20 or 9:10 market time, right? 9:10 market time. Motherfucker had 20 minutes to prepare. So you know what he did? He looked at my watch list. He didn't have the time to do the research today. So he looked at my watch list. He narrowed it down. He traded ENLV. He avoided NAOV. And look at that. He made fucking $4,000, right? He made $4,000 following the watch list because he was late. I do all the work for you guys so you do not have to, right? So that's my process, guys. And how has my process changed in 2021? It hasn't. It hasn't. It's been the same repeatable thing every single day, every single week, every single year, right? I have a winning process. I have a winning strategy. I have a winning routine. Why the fuck would I change it? So for the people asking me, has my process changed? No. No. If anything, I have made more money this year because I've been following the process even fucking deeper, man. Even fucking deeper. I am even more strict with walking away at 10:30. I am even more strict with avoiding these hot stocks, man. I am using the same process every day, the same routine every day. 90% of the time it's gonna pay me money, and the 10% that it doesn't pay me, I lose one day's worth of work and I make it back fucking tomorrow. This is trading, guys. This is trading. This is supposed to be fucking boring. This is supposed to be boring. You know why it's supposed to be boring? Because it's supposed to be robotic, right? The reason why algos exist is algos are stupid. Okay, they're stupid. The only reason why an algo is successful is because you give it rules, it follows the rules, and it has no emotions. Okay? So you need to think like an algo. Make a plan, stick to your plan, exit when the plan doesn't go right, and then you could compete with the algos. We as traders take advantage of the emotional people, right? Emotional. So guys, every day I'm showing up, sticking to the process. And if you come to the boot camp tomorrow, myinvestingclub.com/bootcamp. If you attend the boot camp tomorrow, you're going to see me make a watch list live. You're going to see me trade the watch list live. You're going to see me walk away and count my money. Knock on wood, right? Knock on wood. And you know what? Even if I lose money, sure. You guys will see that I am real. You guys will see that I am not perfect. And you know, I don't care if I make money tomorrow. I don't care if I lose money tomorrow. As long as you guys see me make a plan, execute that plan, win or lose, the point is that I did it, right? So I'm trying to show you guys all this stuff, guys. And remember, the boot camp is tomorrow. Lifetime and annual price raises are coming after tomorrow. This is your chance to lock in your price and attend the event for free, guys. For free. So, do you have any questions for me? Do you guys have any questions for me? Let's do a Q&A. Drop the Slack column. NAOV is at 386, guys. Zombie times. Zombie times. So I hope this video clears up a lot about process. If you hear all these frauds on the internet talk about process, know that they laughed at us. They laughed at us. They don't even know what a process is. They just say it because they have no fucking clue what it is. I'm walking you guys through my exact routine every day. I know a lot of people that, you want to hear? So I'm going to tell you a funny story, right? So last week, Bao and I, it's going to sound funny, but Bao and I bought memberships at a bunch of other chat rooms, right? And the reason why we got access to these other chat rooms is so we could see what they're actually teaching, right? So we got some guy that likes to brag a lot. We got some guy on Instagrams. We got some white dude on YouTube. We got everyone, right? We just joined it for a month to see what they're doing. And it literally blew my mind because I called Bao. And I was like, Bao, like, are you fucking seeing this? The head mentor is posting 10 messages only between 9:30 and 10. Bao, this guy's showing up at 9:29. He's not even putting a watch list. Bao, this guy's not even fucking in the room. He's here once a week. I was literally shocked. I was literally mind blown that a lot of these popular gurus, a lot of these popular guys, one of them shows up once a week. One of them shows up at 9:29 a.m. and one of them doesn't even fucking mentor you guys. It blew my mind. And then Bao told me, he's like, you realize why it's like that, right? It's because they're charging a fraction of the price. They don't have a team. They don't have anyone. It's just a money grab. It's just a money grab. So I want to remind you guys, remember, these communities that are $50, $100, $150 are not the same quality as us, right? Do you want to go to a community college that's $5,000 a year? Or do you want to go to Harvard that's $20,000 a year? I mean, chances are the community college is going to be less money, but you're not going to get a good job. You go to Harvard, you're going to be making shitloads of money. So be careful who you follow and whose room you join. And that's why we have the half off sale going on now. Compare us to your room. We are there 24/7, right? We are there 24/7. So go to the website, myinvestingclub.com. Go to the half off sale. And if we are there less than your guru in your room now, I will refund you. I bet that I am there and Bao is there longer than your guru is there. If we are not there, you will get a refund. Prove it to me. I went to all the other rooms last week, all of them, every single one, every popular day trading community I am now a member of because I want to see how shitty they were. And I learned that these guys are here once a week. These guys are here for fucking minute before the bell. These guys are posting 10 messages a day. It blew my mind. And then I realized this is what people are getting. They're getting discounted quality because they want to save a couple dollars. So, again, I am challenging you guys. Join for a month. If we are there less than your current guru, you're getting a refund, my friend. But if not, I challenge you to leave your fucking fraud, right? This is how you're going to see. You want to see the difference? Come join and I will refund you if we are wrong. That is how confident I am in this, man. That's how confident I am. All right, let's get to these questions, guys. That was just a funny story that I had to tell you about Bao. I was shocked when I saw all this shit, man. For annual members, will it be recorded? As long as you are an MIC member, monthly, annual, or lifetime, you will have access to the recording. Is the monthly still on sale for 50%? Yes. Go to myinvestingclub.com. There's a big button that says 50% off sale. Do you double your size when shorting and the market is going up? No. I only add size when the stock is broken and going down. If you add on the way up, you're adding to a loser. The replay of the boot camp will be about a week after it is done. Correct, guys. They are busy trolling MIC because we are a threat to them. How do you deal with the frustration that you stopped out because using hard stops and then you find that you were actually right on the setup? So twofold, guys, twofold. Number one is if you guys stopped out at the top, don't worry. It happens to everyone. It even happens to me. Just be thankful that you followed your plan. And if the stock goes lower after that, you know what? Just learn from it. It's a lesson. You don't have to do it every single day, right? Maybe you were in too big, so maybe tomorrow size down a little bit. One of our members, guys, Nancy, her name is Girls Trade 2. She did a statistical analysis on the watch list. And the watch list has a 90% chance of winning. Alex, tell them how many messages you saw from the guru room that charges thousands of dollars to talk to the guru. These guys are posting 50 messages a day when MIC is posting fucking 1,000 messages a day. We are educating, we are teaching, and we have videos. They have no education. We like to lead by example, guys. We like to prove you guys by example. So again, compare us. Join for a month and compare us. And you know what? If you think we suck and you think your guru is better and you are making money on these pump and dump alerts, I'll refund you your money. I don't care. Your $100 is not going to change my life, but it could change your fucking life. That's the point. That's the point, guys. So again, I'm going to wrap this up because I have to get back to fucking questions. Unlike these other guys, I don't fucking leave. I sit here and I answer questions all fucking day. So again, DM Tosh last minute or last day. Text Tosh 213-458-5997. Sign up for annual today. Sign up for lifetime today. If not, the price is going up tomorrow, guys. The price is going up. Lock in your prices. I will see you guys at the boot camp 8 a.m. tomorrow. 8 a.m. tomorrow. Don't be fucking late. That means you, Bao. No edibles, no drinking, no women, no nothing. You fucking sleep, you get a massage, you show up. All right, Bao? So I'll see you guys fucking tomorrow, man. All right? Have a good day. Let's fucking kill it.